Tasty Times with... Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Tasty Time with Cameron. Today we are going to make a ham and cheese sandwich. Oh yeah. Let's wash them first. We wash our hands. What's the next one again? We wash our hands to keep them neat before we make our tasty treats. Now, Mom, where are the dryers? Oh, thanks. Okay. Now. Hold on. My hands are kind of boring. First, we can. Okay. What goes on the bottom? The ham with the cheese. The ham. We put the ham. Ham, and then we put the cheese. Just let me get the grip. Here. Oh, that's my dumb Casey. And here it is, the ham and cheese sandwich. Hey, ready? Thank you for watching another episode of Tasty Times with Cameron.